In today's ever evolving digital landscape, the potential to build wealth right from the comfort of your home has never been more accessible. Social media platforms, coupled with the power of e commerce giant Amazon, offer a unique fusion of possibilities. This guide will explore how you can leverage these platforms to pave the way to financial success with ease. To begin with, each social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or YouTube, serves as a distinct marketplace teeming with opportunity. The first step is identifying where your passion meets public interest. Are you a skilled photographer, a culinary enthusiast, or perhaps an expert in wellness? Whatever your niche, create content that resonates with an audience looking for inspiration or solutions in that area. Consistency is key. Frequent, high quality posts help in building a loyal following that can become the foundation of your financial endeavors. Now, transitioning from followers to finances involves strategic partnerships. This is where Amazon comes into play. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can harness the vast inventory of Amazon products, recommending those that align with your content and values. Each referral, accessed through your unique Amazon link featured in your bio, not only offers value to your audience but also earns you a commission on purchases. This symbiotic relationship benefits both you and your followers. However, this ecosystem doesn't thrive on autopilot. Engaging with your audience is paramount. Foster a community through interaction, reply to comments, conduct polls, and encourage discussions. Understanding the needs and preferences of your viewers allows you to tailor product recommendations accordingly, further increasing your credibility and potential revenue. Delving deeper, combining video content with Amazon's influence can amplify your reach. For instance, unboxing videos or product reviews on platforms like YouTube or TikTok not only inform and entertain, but also serve as a powerful method to drive sales through direct demonstration of products. When viewers see the tangible benefits and features of an item, their inclination to purchase increases significantly. Furthermore, social media is not a static environment. Keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies. Experiment with features like Instagram's Reels or YouTube Shorts. These tools can enhance your visibility, extending your influence and reach to new audiences still discovering your niche. In conclusion, building wealth from home using social media and Amazon requires dedication, creativity, and strategic execution. By curating engaging content, utilizing affiliate marketing with thoughtfully selected Amazon products, and actively engaging with your community, a rewarding financial pathway is well within your reach. Remember to frequently guide your audience to the Amazon link in your bio, a step that supports your endeavors while delivering value to them. Embrace this digital revolution and unlock the door to opportunities that await in every corner of the internet.